Get smarter and more predictive about every aspect of your business by building ad hoc reports within Target Recruit. You've been asked to find out what rates Java developers are earning in the state of Massachusetts. With Target Recruit Analytics, this is now easier than ever. You know you already have a report for candidates with titles, so let's go to the reports object and search for that. Here's my report, candidates with titles, that I will select and click Edit to find the information that we need. As you can see in these columns, I don't have any rate information, so I can simply start typing desired pay and select it to add as a column. Or I can expand this menu of fields on the left and drag and drop something such as current pay. So I'll drop it in at the end here and it will add as a column. Now you can see we have quite a few statuses of the candidates within the system. So I'm going to group this by candidate status to make it a summary report. Now I want to group these columns by title to make it a matrix report. I can now see the sum of the desired and current pay as well as record counts by status. I don't want sum, I want to change this to average. So under the column, I will change this from desired pay sum to average. And I'll also do it under current page from sum to average. As you can see here, I still have all of the titles available within my system. So I actually want to add a filter. So if I go over to filters, I'll first filter by title. From these operators, I'll choose contains in Java. So as you can see, I only have 2 Java titles within my system, Java Developer and Senior Java Developer. However, I'm still only looking for folks in Massachusetts. So I'll now add an additional filter by state. And again, from these operators, I'll choose contains and I'll put in MA or Mass. So now here are all of my Java developers within Massachusetts, and I can see their average, desired, and current pay by their status. I'm more of a visual person, so I like to have charts added. So I'll come over here to add chart, and I can choose from several different options. I think we'll go with the donut for this report. So as you can see, it's breaking it down by average desired pay and by status. I actually want to see this by average current pay and by title. So within here, I'll change this value from desired to current pay. And then it's sliced by status, but I'll change that to title. I'll also decide to show values within the donut. And I'm going to change the legend position from the right to the bottom. So now here is my report. I can see that a senior Java developer averages $54 in Massachusetts, while a regular Java developer averages $30 within Massachusetts. I'll now save this as a new report. So I'll say Java developers in Mass with rates. I can also select to add this to a different folder, but I'll just leave it in my personal folder. Now, once I have this saved, I can also subscribe people to this report. So if I want this to be delivered on a certain frequency to maybe my manager, I can choose whether daily, weekly, monthly, the day, the time, and then who the recipients will be. It defaults to myself, but then I can add someone else to this, and they will receive it as an email at that desired frequency.